I am to report 5 minutes after I put up the very important to release and testify about the chemical poisoning at 1 in the morning. It was like midnight or 1. That with the Mexican drug cartel paramilitary that just pulled in, you can hear them at the same time. I got poisoned again, really good. They got me in my room, just out of nowhere. I'm racing. You know what the story is after that. I'm really sick and all the above. So they got me again at around 6:28 a.m., 6:25 a.m. at the same time the Mexican drug cartel paramilitary of Vladimir Putin's pulled in, which is for the public, and that's clear to say, which is why they don't ever go anywhere, and they're never arrested, and no one takes them out, but yet I'm living in a fucking mass grave site. It's the same thing that I said about the terrorist of 1509, but I am not allowed to say one word about anything in 1509. So please review what I have said earlier if you can. All right. The point of this is they're using chemical weapons again. November 11th, 2023 at 6:30 in the morning. Bye.